Maybe a lot of you are wondering and saying, well, what can a robot do, right? What can a robot do for us? The robot has the ability to log into different applications. It can extract content from PDF documents, emails, and forms. It can transfer data between systems. It can copy and paste data from one place to another. Especially, for example, data that's on a website, on a banking portal, and so on. The robot will be able to connect with different APIs. For example, if we want to use a service, we'll be able to do it. We'll be able to copy, paste, and move folders from one place to another. We'll be able to read, write, and send emails, and work with the attachments. And we'll also be able to use everything related to spreadsheets, which can sometimes be a real headache, especially when we have more than 10,000, 15,000 records. And that's super important. Robots, as we've already discussed, are capable of emulating human behavior, right? And as part of that human behavior, we often work with different technologies on our computers. And here it's important to mention that the robot will be able to work with this whole range of technologies that we use in our daily lives. That range of technologies could be data files, like an XML file, for example. Also, all the work involving web portals. It will be able to work with banking portals, tax registration. It will also be able to handle judicial systems, and so on. We'll be able to work with all kinds of legacy systems, like an S400 or any other mainframe. We'll also be able to handle all those colorful data screens. We can also work with digital documents, which could be PDFs, scanned documents, and so on. We'll be able to integrate with any type of database. We'll also be able to work with any enterprise system, any ERP, any CRM, whether it's SAP, Oracle, and so on. We'll be able to work with spreadsheets, with Excel. We'll be able to work with other office tools and also everything related to email. We'll be able to read, write, send, receive, and so on. That's more or less the structure with which, basically, a robot can work and roughly what tasks the robot could perform for us.